Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll quickly show you how to fix a Roblox error 304. Now first of all, before doing anything, open up your task manager and make sure that in the services you have no Roblox running. So just make sure to find the Roblox process if you have the game installed onto your computer, and just make sure to just completely ending it. So just click on the process. For example, I'll take search, right? And just click on end task. Just make sure to do that before we go on with the rest of the video. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and press Windows R, then type in %app data %, and now basically go to app data and then local, and in the local folder find your Roblox folder. So just find Roblox folder and just delete it completely from your computer. Alright, now the next thing you want to try doing is you go to your network and internet, then you go to VPN. If you have any VPN running while you're playing Roblox, you just want to make sure to turn it off. Now that's going to be another step. Alright, another fix we can also do is you go ahead and find your firewall settings in your Windows. So just find this allow a app to run through firewall, and just in this list make sure to find Roblox and click on both private and public checkboxes over here, and that's going to be done with this step. And also, of course, the last thing I will mention is that you just want to make sure that the Roblox services and servers are actually running. So just go ahead and type in Roblox server status. Now just click on this first link, and as you can see, all systems operational. That means that everything is supposed to be working, and the only reason that it might not is because something in your system is messed up. And I have showed you before in this video how to fix, by using several steps, how to fix this error, and that will hopefully fix you guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this helped, subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, and I'll see you very soon in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, guys.